Hi guys, welcome to my video today. I am doing another super fun collaboration video for you today. It is going to be Christmas cookies, and my friend Christy put this together. She is just one of the most greatest YouTubers I have met almost so far. She's so wonderful, so sweet to put this collaboration on, to get this group of all of us together to share our Christmas cookie ideas. So thank you so much, Christy. There'll also be, I will link Christy's channel in my description, so check her out. She has wonderful videos, and also there'll be a playlist in the description box. So check that out, and it'll take you to all of the Christmas cookies that everyone in this collaboration is doing. So not only is it Christmas cookies, it's also a bit of a pajama party. So I have these pajamas that we got a few years ago when the whole family dressed up as little elves. The boys were little, they were like 2 and 3 or 1 and 2, I'm not sure, but we all dressed up. My husband had the same thing, and so it's these little elf shirts and these little striped pants. So it's kind of fun outfit. So I pulled this out since it's also pajama theme for this collaboration. So I am going to make some spritz cookies, and I have this really fun little, you guys know I love little kitchen gadgets, of course. So I got this at Target. I'll put a link to it in the description box. It is so awesome. It has all these little discs that turn the cookies into little fun shapes. So I have all of these shapes right here. I'm going to use a few of them. There's a little Christmas tree. And then there's like some circles that kind of come out as flowers. There's a snowman one. This one will look like a snowman. So really fun and super festive, and it doesn't have to be for Christmas. There's some other discs as well. There's a whole bunch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 12 discs. So make all kinds of fun little shapes. And then this is just gonna like pump out the cookie dough. So I'm gonna make these, I'm gonna sprinkle them with some sprinkles to make them nice and festive, and these will be such a fun holiday cookie treat. So I will, like I said, link this. It is Cookie Press, and so awesome. I got it at Target. You can also get them on Amazon. They're both super convenient for me. I do like all of my shopping online between either Amazon or Target. They're my go-tos. So I'm gonna get these cookies all made up. Pretty simple recipe, and then I'll cook them, decorate them, and I hope that you guys really enjoy this. I have been having so much fun making a video every day for you for the month of December to celebrate the holidays. It has just been a blast. It has definitely gotten me into the Christmas spirit. So I'm gonna make these cookies. I'm gonna make a big old batch. I have my oven preheated right now to 350 degrees, so I'll get these all made up. If you are new to my channel, please click subscribe and click the bell button next to subscribe. You'll get a notification each time I post a new video. Like I said, a video every day the month of December. So it has been so much fun. This is the 18th video, 18th of December. So I am just having a blast. And I hope that you guys are enjoying the ideas that I've been coming up with. And I hope that it's getting you in the Christmas spirit to make some nice, yummy Christmas holiday type foods. So I will get all these made up.
All right, so I have my 2 cups of flour, and I'm adding in a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and I'm just gonna mix this all the way through before we add any of the other ingredients. So I'll set the flour aside, and I'm going to take my butter. I have 1 cup of butter, and I'm gonna add in my sugar. I have 2/3 a cup of sugar. So I'm going to add that into my bowl, and I'm going to mix this with my hand mixer. You can use a standing mixer also, but I'm going to mix it with my hand mixer until it's all the way mixed through. The butter is nice and softened, so it looks awesome. I have 2 egg yolks, so I've taken out the egg whites from them. And then I have vanilla extract. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'll add that in, and then I am also going to use, I have this cake batter extract, and it has really awesome flavor. So I'm going to add this to these cookies. You can use an almond extract if you'd like for these, if that's what the recipe calls for. But I am adding in the cake batter extract. It'll be so awesome. So I'm going to mix all of this together, make sure it's all the way mixed, nice and combined. And then once it is, I will add in my flour and salt mixture. So I'm going to add it in just a little bit at a time and mix, and then I'll add a little bit more and I'll mix some more. So this is going to be really awesome. All right, so I'm mixing it all the way through. It'll be nice and smooth once it's all the way mixed. And I'm going to form it into like a little log to put into the little dispenser. And I'll put these on my cookie sheet and bake these in the oven. They'll be awesome.
All right, so my batch of Christmas cookies are all done. Made a whole bunch, nice big batch. I love the little Christmas tree shape. I made some with green sprinkles and some with red sprinkles. They're just the cutest little Christmas trees. I love how the dough just piped out from the spritz cookie maker. I also made these little circle-y flower ones. These are really cute. And then I put the sprinkles on before I cooked them so that the sprinkles would stick better. And they're just so super festive. I hope that you enjoyed my Christmas cookie video for today. I hope that you check out everybody else that did this collaboration. Such a great group of people. And really thank you, Christy, so much for being so supportive and such a wonderful YouTube friend. I have really enjoyed going on this journey with you. I will be linking Christy's channel in my description box, so check that out. She has a wonderful channel, so give her some support. And put a like on this video if you like it. Subscribe to my channel if you are new so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I have been loving making a video every day for Vlogmas. It has just been a blast. And these spritz cookies are so fun for Christmas. So I'm really glad I got a chance to make them for this Christmas cookie collaboration with all these other YouTube channels. It was so much fun. So hope that you guys enjoyed this. Hope that you have a wonderful rest of your Sunday. Hope that you have a wonderful holiday, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.